Bechained, founded in 2020, Spain. Clean tech.
Bad news. 30% of the worldwide emissions come from industry. And from 2021, the electricity prices have tripled and become more and more volatile than ever, leaving manufacturers with zero control over their energy costs and their emissions. No way for startups like us to speak about sustainability in general terms. We need to prove the impact in bookings. And that's what Bechained delivers. We reduce the energy use by 20% in manufacturing processes, whether water management, air compression system, and thermal processes, spanning across different industries, paper, food, and metal. We slash operational costs by making production processes 20% more energy efficient. An example, in a steel mill where energy is responsible for 35% of their cost of goods, we can slash it by 7%. Our AI technology continuously identifies the optimal setting in the machine and execute the improvement directly in production. And this is differential. Let's talk about facts. We help a steel mill to save $300,000 per year, over $1 million spent on electricity per month. The return, $4 saved for every dollar they invested in us. Unlike traditional systems with the hard-coded logic, operating over and over again the same way, our type of AI, called reinforcement learning, automatize the energy efficiency in a unique way, and it is patent pending. It learns from on-the-run data, action, and environmental changes, and boosts efficiency in those processes. It continuously delivers more savings with less emissions. I'm Stefano, 3-time founder and CEO of Bechained. With Bardi, our CTO, we are leading a blended team with more than 45 years experience in energy engineering and data science. We monetize through a SaaS. In 2024, we got 5 new agreements across Europe and US. We are backed by Norscan and Techstars in the US, and we just secured $400,000 in non-dilutive funding from EIT Manufacturing. So we see the urgency to prevent 65 million tons of CO2 emission in those processes per year by 2040. We want to connect with investors in manufacturing and robotics to decarbonize those industries. In Q1, we are opening our fundraising, so come and talk with us. Thank you so much.